Hey there, thank you for purchasing the Extreme Simracing FGT Lite. Today's video is going to be going over some features of the cockpit and the adjustability. How to use the hubs is very easy. All you need to do is pull the cam open, screw it anti-clockwise and adjust the hub. Find the position that you are after, close the lever and screw it clockwise to make sure it is tight. Our next feature is this embroidered strap here, added for maximum rigidity across the cockpit. How to use the strap is very easy. All you need to do is release it, pull it tight, and Velcro it back on before use. Next up is our steering wheel plate, designed for quick adjustment to get the perfect angle for your steering wheel. Simply loosen the knob underneath the wheel plate, adjust the angle, and retighten. If you have a wheel that can only be mounted via the clamp, you will need to adjust the holes on the FGT Lite wheel plate to the back holes here. We'll show you how. Reinstall the bolts. Now that the wheel plate is attached, all you need to do is clamp your wheel on. Make sure the wheel clamp is making contact with the plate and tighten the clamp. The next major design feature on this cockpit is the pedal plate assembly. We've made it easy for you with the toolless design. All you need to do is unwind the cam, slide the pedal plate backwards and forwards to your optimal position, and retighten. The pedal plate is also pre-jeweled for most major brands. On the pedal assembly, we've added Extreme Simracing hubs to allow angle adjustment very easily by loosening the hub, rotating anti-clockwise, and choosing your angle. You lock your angle in position by closing the hub and tightening in clockwise position. When designing the FGT Lite, we kept all size users in mind. By adding adjustment in the front leg here, all you need to do is push the pin in and pull the chair up. This step needs to be repeated for both sides of the chair. With the gear shifter in mind, we've given you options to have it mounted on either side of the seat based on your preference. Now that we've gone through all the features, we're going to show you how to get into formula position. First step will be loosening the strap to allow adjustment. Next step, we're going to loosen the back hubs, open the cams, rotate anti-clockwise, and you'll be able to adjust the back leg. While the cams are still open, you want to move the seat back into position by moving it forward one click. With the seat back in position, you will now need to tighten the hub clockwise and then close the cam over. Repeat on both sides. Next step, you want to release the hub in the middle, rotate it anti-clockwise on both sides. You'll then be able to adjust the wheel plate. Move the wheel plate forward one click, close the cam and tighten clockwise again. Make sure to repeat this on both sides. Next, you want to tighten the embroidered strap. All you have to do is pull on it, Velcro it back up, and you're good to go. Lastly, you want to adjust your pedals into the right position. Open the hubs, rotate anti-clockwise, move into the highest position, and close the hubs again, and tighten clockwise. Now we're going to show you how to store your cockpit when not in use. The first step you want to do is loosen the hubs on the back of the headrest, fold the headrest down, and repeat as the hubs as you move forward. Fold the back leg up, fold the back over, next you want to unlock the middle hubs and fold it up. Next you want to fold up the pedal plate, unlock the hubs, bring the leg up and fold it under. Now your cockpit will be compact. Lastly, to make it transportable, you can close the hubs up. Just bend the cams over. If you have any trouble with this, back the cam off, anti-clockwise and close. That's it for the features on the FGT Lite. If you have any more questions, reach out to the team on support@nexoraracing.com.
If you like the video, please click on the like button, write a comment, and subscribe to my channel.